Akhirnya.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Sila.
Okay, ma'am. Question is, in what book nahitabo ang The Visit of the Shepherds? 5, 4, 3, 2, wrong! Still. Again, the question is, The Visit of the Shepherds. 5, 4, 3. Wrong! The correct answer is the book of Luke. The book of Luke. Okay, siya po. Again, the next score. 2-1. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Still, puro John. Mga John. John 1 of John 2.
So John, asa na book na hitabo to The Boy Who Ran Away from Home? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still, Sir John, Book of Luke, still the Book of Luke, the Prodigal Son. So the score is 3-1. Correct answer.
Nagliog ka? Wala mo nagkusog? Wala mo kusga?